Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs. First of all, open Google Docs in Google. After opening it, you'll see this page. And to create a new document on this page, we can go ahead and click that plus sign to create a blank document, which is what we're gonna do. But I wanted to show that there are also templates. So, if you're creating a meeting note for example or a brochure, you can start with these templates. And there's a whole template gallery where you could see all these different types of templates. But I'm gonna go back and just press plus here and we'll start with a brand new Google Docs document. So, you can simply type with your keyboard here. And I want to show you some of the basic formatting options and we'll get a little bit more advanced as we go. With anything that you type here, you'll have this bar on top. So first of all, this is the undo button. And beside that is the redo button. The next icon is to print your document. In the window that opens, choose your print settings. And then click print. The next icon is the spelling and grammar check. A box will open in the top right corner. To use a suggestion, click change. To ignore a suggestion, click ignore. Since I've made no mistake, it's all good. And if I make an error, it shows the correct word. The next icon is the paint format. Highlight the text you want to copy the format of, and then click on the paint format icon in the toolbar. After it's enabled, your cursor turns into a paint roller to show you the format was copied. The next icon is the zoom. Choose how big you want your text or enter a number from 50 to 200. In Google Docs, to make the document as wide as the browser window, click Fit. The next drop-down are the styles. By default, anything you type in a Google Doc is styled as normal text. To switch styles, place the insertion point in the paragraph that you want to change. Click the Styles menu and choose the style that you want. The next icon is the font. So right now, I'm using this font Arial that's by default. But if I wanted to change my font, I have all these different fonts to choose from on this page. And I could even press more fonts for more options. The next icon is to adjust the font size. A drop-down menu of font sizes appears. Select the font size you want to use. In our example, we'll change the font size to 10 to make it larger. Then you'll have the typical bold, italic and underline options. So, if I wanted to select my enter text here, I could make it bold, italic, and I could make it underline. The next icon is the text color. So, you click this and change your text color here just like that. And then you have your highlighters, so that will highlight your text. For example, if I highlight a light cyan and click away, it will be highlighted. The next icon is the insert link. Simply click where you want the link, or highlight the text that you want to link. As an example, I'm going to Google Images, and if I want to insert a car images link, I can do it. Then the next is the add comment icon. Highlight the text, images, or slides you want to comment on. Type your comment on the pop-up box and upload it. But we're not gonna use this now. And the next drop-down is the insert image. There are upload from computer, search the web, drive, photos, by URL, and camera options. I'm gonna go ahead and select an image from my computer. You can adjust the size of an image or rotate it by touching and dragging the squares along the edges. The next icon is the alignment. It helps you align your text to the right, left, center, or justify. The next is the line and paragraph spacing icon. Line spacing determines the amount of vertical space between lines of text in a paragraph. And the next is the checklist icon, which is very useful. In Google Docs, a checklist is similar to adding one or more checkbox characters. The following icon is the same as the checklist icon. To create a checklist in Google Docs, you create a bulleted list. Then you format the bullet to be the character for an empty checkbox or a checked checkbox. From the bulleted list, click the down icon and select the checkbox. The checkbox automatically generates the next and following numbers when you press the Enter key. And the last icon is the clear formatting. All of the formatting of your selected text will be immediately removed, and you'll be left with text that matches the default Google Docs text. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button before you go. Thank you and have a great day.